UMDC Tura constituency Badeiru State Vice President ka Parti BJP Bernard Marang uloong ba kajingkeno badon Jingbamsap Haka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Kadei Nakadaw ka Jingbamlah jong ka Sorkar ban Peitngor yaki pisa bapha da ka Sorkar Pedeng yaki District Council lingba ka Sorkar Jilla Shushu uloong ba barabor haba ujor halor ka Jingbamsap ka Sorkar Jilla ka Shaitle Kulud bat kane Kadei Nakadaw ba lese ka Sorkar Jilla ru kadon kti ban pendon kambakla ya ka pisa ka badai jong ki District Council bat henre haka ba khaddu hi ka jingsha kno ka leche ki District Council.
Annoyed by the corruption in the GHDs. So what is the status of all this aspect?
Actually, the corruption in district councils because there is no proper monitoring from the state. Because state is sanctioning the money to the council. The money is actually coming from the center, but it's routed to the state. Now, whatever complaint we are giving to the state regarding the misuse of fund, they are not looking into it because the state, in one way or the other, they are also involved in misutilizing the fund, and all the blame is going to the district council today. District council is getting the blame. Just recently, I have met the tribal minister in the center, and we have been discussing about various schemes that have been sanctioned to the state. The one very interesting part is that district council cannot submit the utilization certificate. So I have made it very clear that no utilization certificate, no fund. So now center will be asking for the utilization certificate, and until and unless the utilization certificate is submitted, no funds will be coming to the council. So they cannot give it for the salaries. The salaries has to be managed by the district councils. These schemes, these funds are being routed to the district council for the development purpose, and it has to be used for that particular development for which it has been sanctioned. The scheme that I'm talking about is the tribal affairs. It is coming from the tribal affairs department. So the fund which are coming from the tribal affairs will be stopped for the time being, and we are also going to talk to the finance department, this one in the center, so that even from the finance, the fund has to be stopped for something, because we have to clear the mess first.